make $100 per day, you need 14,000 PB by day or 400 clicks a day at the rate 1% CTR and $0.25 CPC. You have two products, 500 inverse 1K, awesome articles for 40,000 page views. These pages must attract at least 18 or more page views per day. Minimum word limit for any article should be 300 inverse 1K words. Important terms associated with Google AdSense. AdSense, it refers to start of affairs after you place Google Ads on your website and once guests click on a poster. It's ungreat to check in and Google pays 68 of what the advertiser pays them. CTR. It refers to the click-through rate. CTR equal clicks by ads impressions x 100. CPM. CPM suggests that cost per 1000 impressions. CPC. It stands for price per click and it's referred to as the revenue you earn every time a traveler clicks on your page. It's determined by the advertiser.